Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some most unique and amazing ideas of crochet tops. You will see very attractive and beautiful square patch patterns in this video, and all of these designs are made with very attractive and gorgeous contrasting color schemes. So you will find different kinds of contrasting color schemes ideas and patchwork pattern ideas. So all of these designs are unique and different from each other, and in this video you will find almost 35 plus ideas. So just watch this video till the end to get all ideas, because all of the ideas are very unique and their color schemes too. So most of these designs are having granny square patterns and granny square pattern along with modified pattern, and some of the designs are having simple granny square patterns as well. And you will see some designs with a round coaster in center and then converted into a square piece as well. So different kinds of patterns are included in this video, and all of them are very unique and attractive, and color schemes are so unique and attractive. So these are perfect color schemes for summer. So these are summer tops designing ideas, and you can use them in spring season or light seasons as well. So just give them a try and pair them up with denim. These will look very attractive. You can just use them in winters as well, along with t-shirts. Light winter seasons can accommodate these accessories as well. So just give them a try and share your opinion in the comment box if you love them and want more ideas videos like this. And if you are interested in seeing tutorial videos, do let me know in the comments as well, because I also upload crochet tutorial videos here on my channel other than these kinds of ideas videos. So just do let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing different square piece tutorial videos. I have some videos already available on my channel, and you can just find different patterns of crochet, granny square, granny square with a flower in center, and some other patterns as well, which you can use in different crochet projects like these tops. You can use them in pillowcases, and you can use them in other different crochet projects as well. So stay connected to get all types of ideas and tutorial videos of crochet work. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye.